Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to check your H&M gift card balance? Follow these simple steps. First of all, open your browser and go to the official H&M website. Find the gift card section. Then click on check your balance. Type in your gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. Your remaining balance will be displayed on the screen. Method 2. Take your physical or digital gift card to your nearest H&M store. Provide your gift card to the cashier and they will scan it to check your balance. Method 3. Find the official H&M support number on their website. Enter your gift card number when prompted. Your remaining gift card balance will be announced. That's it. You can now check your H&M gift card balance online in store or over the phone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.